Yarrow is another great herb to grow. I did a complete video on the medicinal benefits. Check the video out if you haven't already. The big thing to take away with yarrow is the incredible effectiveness of how it can stop bleeding. It can save lives. There are many varieties of yarrow. The yellow yarrow flower I have here is good for bleeding and respiratory problems with the common cold and the flu. It is also good for acne. The stems and leaves can alleviate rheumatism. The pink yarrow flower I have here increases saliva and stomach acid to help improve digestion and help with menses pain. They are perennial and make a beautiful addition to a flower garden. I dry these for later use by simply hanging upside down in an airy location. You never know when you may need it. Remember, it's not about if, it's about when. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.